How to decorate hairbands. Make the flower and fix the lace or any button or colored stones in the center of the flower. If you have hot glue, you can use it, or use Fevikwik or fabric glue. Requirements: plain hairband, ribbons, lace flowers, hot glue, needle and thread. How to go about it? First, take the length of the hairband, taking the ribbon round it for length. Now cut the ribbon. Fold it in two, stitch both the sides. Insert the hairband inside the ribbon and stitch both the ends. If there is no machine, this can be stitched by hand, that is by stitching both the sides of the ribbon. You can make some other colors and gift it to your family and friends' children. Enjoy making your own stuff and get a sense of satisfaction. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.